Hello everyone, good day. Now we are going to discuss about the assignment rules. Before configuring the assignment rule, let's have a quick discussion. What is the use of assignment rule? By using this, we can automatically assign a record to a particular group or a particular member without any manual intervention. This can be viewed whenever you're saving a record or whenever you are opening a record. Let's create an assignment rule. Go to the instance and type assignment in the navigation. Under system policies, you can see assignment. Click on this and create a new record by clicking on new. Let's give a unique name for our assignment rule. I'm creating this assignment rule based on a category. Let's give the same based on category. And here we can see three sections. One is applies to. In applies to, we need to mention a table where we are going to use this assignment rule. And what are the conditions? We need to mention it in applies to. I'm giving it as a category is inquiry or help. Whenever a category is inquiry or help in an incident table, let me assign it to a particular group. And in assign to section, you can see two fields. One is user, other one is group. If you want to assign it to a particular person, you can select user. So it will directly assign to that person. If you want to set it for a particular group, you can select the group. Let me select network as a group. And we have script section also. If we are using multiple categories for, to assign it to a different assignment group, then we can write script. Here you can see if category is hardware, they're setting it to the hardware group. If it is software, it's setting to the software. If we have like multiple steps, then we can use the script. It's not good to write 6 times or 5 times based on the conditions, assignment rules. Better to use scripting when we have that 5 to 6 categories should be assigned to a particular group based on the categories. Let me save this record and let's go to the incident and let's create a new record with the conditions what we are using in the assignment rule. Let me fill the form. Let me fill all the mandatory fields. And we are using same categories, inquiry or help. Here you can see assignment group is empty as of now. After saving this record, it will populate automatically. Let's save this and we are using assignment group as network. It should assign to that particular group. And here you can see category is inquiry or help and it is assigned to this particular group automatically. Let's see scripting part in the assignment rule. Let's remove all these conditions and let's take scripting. And here you can see we have example script. I'm copying the same thing to create my script. Let's assign it to different groups. And I'm taking only if and else condition. And they have written here set display value. I'm going to use set value. Few times we can face issues when we are using display value. So I'm going to use it as set value. Set value of assignment group. Whenever category is software. Let me set it to some other group. And if category is not software and anything else, we can set it to one group. Let me do the same thing here. Current.setValue of assignment. Let's select 2 groups. I'm going with software as a group for software. If it is anything else, let's go with hardware as a group. So I'm going to give a SysID. SysID is the good option when we are setting a value rather than name. Let's give hardware. If category is anything else other than software. Let's do this. I think all is set. Let's save this record and let's go to the incidents. Let us create an incidents. I'm going to create one with software as a category. So it should assign it to the software group. I'm selecting software and testing AR. So here you can see assignment group is empty. Now it should set to software. Let's see. Here you can see category is software and assignment group is also software. Here you can see in if condition, if category is software, we are giving assignment group as a SysID, which is software. Let's do one more record. Let's create one more record with other categories option. Let's create it as hardware. So it should set it to hardware. Let's save this record. After saving, we can see the assignment group is set to hardware. Here you can see it is set to hardware. This is how we can use assignment rules. It will reduce the manual intervention of everyone. It will automatically assign to the particular person or group by using this. Thank you.